Dear brothers and sisters, now you would like to perform Umrah. Umrah has 42 steps, but there are 7 major blocks you should understand. Number 1 is Ihram. Number 2 is Tawaf. That is to say, going around Kaaba 7 times. Number 3 is reading 2 rakat Salah. Number 4 is drinking Zamzam after completing your Tawaf. Number 5 is to go between Safa and Marwa, which is called Sahi. Then after completing 7 rounds of Safa and Marwa, then you cut your hair, then you come out of the Ihram, unless and until if you're doing a Hajj Qiran, you do not cut your hair. These are the 7 major blocks. Now we will go through on each block, and that will take us to 42 steps. Now, number 1, to make the intention for Umrah, remember that whenever you want to make an intention for Umrah or you want to make an intention for Hajj, put a condition. What is that condition? Which is very important. Say that, oh Allah, I want to make Umrah, make it easy and accept it. And if I have been stopped at anywhere for any reason, then I will come out from the Ihram. This way, you don't have to give any dam or you don't have to give any qurbani of a sheep for that mistake. For example, you start your Umrah for any reason, you couldn't able to continue because of your health or because of any accident or anything. If you have this condition built in your intention at the time of Niyyah, that is very, very important. So remember that. Put a condition in your Niyyah that Allah, for any reason, if I have been stopped in performing Umrah or performing Hajj, I will come out of the Ihram. Number 2, purchase Ihram, purchase belt, and purchase the slipper. Quantity was given to you before. Number 3, make a booking for travel, hotel arrangements, airline, and bus. Study the details about Umrah, how to perform. Even though we are going through step by step, 42 steps I'll be going through. Take a shower, shave unwanted hair under your armpits and in the pubis area. Put on Ihram, read 2 rakah Salah, then make the Niyyah with the condition, read 3 times Talbiyah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk, la sharika lak. Say this thing 3 times. Now you are under Ihram. All restrictions of the Ihram are applicable on you. When you reach Makkah, you go to the hotel and settle down. If you are hungry, have some food. If you are tired, you can take some rest before going to Kaaba to start your Umrah. When you are fresh, make a wudu, keep on reading Talbiyah until you reach Kaaba near the black stone. In a hadith, Prophet ﷺ said, as soon as the person sees the black stone and whatever the dua or the prayer he makes, Allah accepts it. So think of some big dua so that when you reach, Allah will accept your dua. Once you reach Kaaba, black stone, there is a black line on the floor to make sure, and your Ihram should be such for the male is that your right shoulder should be naked and you should be doing the first 3 rounds of the Kaaba just like you are walking like a wrestler, okay, like moving your shoulder and walking a little bit fast. So you reach black stone and you make the Niyyah. Oh Allah, I want to make the Tawaf. Please make it easy and please accept it. And then you say, Bismillah Allahu Akbar. You just raise your both hands up to your shoulder or up to your ears. And then you start walking and reading any dua, anything in Arabic, in English, in Urdu, in Pashto, whatever the language you want, but make the dua from the bottom of your heart. From your heart. Cry as much as you want, because you are in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When you are making the tawaf, make sure that you are going outside the hatim. Sometimes the people make a shortcut and they cut between Kaaba and the hatim, then your tawaf is not complete. When you reach the last corner of the Kaaba, which is Rukn-e-Yamani, from there till the black stone, you should read only one thing: Rabbana atina fid dunya hasnatan wa fil akhirati hasnatan wa qina adhaban nar wa adkhilna al jannata ma'al abrar ya aziz wa ya ghaffar ya rabbul alamin. When you reach the black stone, you raise your hands again and then you say the same thing again. Bismillah, Allahu Akbar 3 times, and then you move for your second round. In this way, you continue and make 7 rounds. Once you have completed the 7th round, then you go to the door of the Kaaba if you can. If not, you can just stand in front of the door of the Kaaba and make the dua. After that, you drink. After that, you read 2 rakah salah for the ihram, for the umrah, near the Maqam Ibrahim if you can, or anywhere in haram. After reading 2 rakah salah, then you drink Zamzam in 3 sips or more, and then you make dua again that, oh Allah, please accept our tawaf, what we have just completed. Now, you have to start your sahi. To start your sahi, you have to kiss the black stone again, and then you go near the black stone, or you go far away from the black stone, you can kiss the black stone. Then you walk towards Safa. When you reach the Safa, then you make the intention that, oh Allah, I want to perform sahi, please make it easy and please accept it. Then you say, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd. And you raise your hand there. Then you start walking from Safa to Marwa. You will find that there will be an area with a pillar with a with the green color. So in that area, you don't have to run. Ladies should walk normally. Gents should try to walk a little bit faster. Many people will try to push around and run, which is not correct. Once you reach the other side, which is Marwa, you just say it again, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd. And this is your first round is completed. Then from Marwa to Safa is your second round. This way you complete your 7th round. So you will finish your 7th round on Marwa. And that's the time you make the dua again at the end. And if you are just doing the Umrah, or if you are doing the Hajj Tamattu of the Umrah, then you cut your hair. By cutting by hair, you are out of the ihram. But if you are doing Hajj Qiran, then you do not cut your hair. You continue in the ihram. And please remember that you should physically prepare yourself, because just going 7 rounds in Sahi, it comes out to be about 4.5 kilometers of walking. So please, dear brothers and sisters, before going for Hajj, do some exercises. Start walking from today, so that when you reach Kaaba, you are in an excellent physical condition. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.